Hey and welcome, this is Dusty here from Tax Debt Services. The topic of this video is going to be about what causes tax debt. A lot of times we're asked this question of how did we get there in the first place? Who are your clients? Why do they owe tax debt? It's really simple. They really just didn't pay enough. And to simplify that, I just want to talk about withholding. Under withholding normally causes tax debt. And under withholding could be many different types of things. You earn W-2 wages and you didn't withhold enough on your pay stub. You have self-employment income and you didn't withhold enough or pay any estimated tax deposits. Or you sold a large asset and didn't withhold anything on that. Normally when you don't pay enough in taxes, that causes a tax liability. And most of the time these are just small little mistakes that over time grow into a larger problem that you cannot resolve. And that's really where we step in here at Tax Debt Services to help our clients out. So to break these down a little more simple, you have W-2 wages coming out on your job, and you fill out a W-4 form that's supposed to withhold enough so that when you file at the end of the year, you don't owe anything. These get a little more complicated when you have other sources of income, you have a spouse, you have children, where that W-4 isn't working like it's intended to, and therefore when you think you're doing things right and you make a mistake, you actually end up owing tax debt. And when you have that liability at the end of the year, you might not be able to pay it in full, so you want a payment plan. Interest and penalties accrue, and over time this thing starts to snowball. Same truth is when you have self-employment income. When you are self-employed, it is your responsibility to withhold that taxes, and most people don't do it. They don't know that they're supposed to be making quarterly estimated tax deposits, and so when they file in April at the end of the year, they have a large tax liability there in front of them that they might not be able to tackle. And so if they don't pay that in full, again, the interest and penalties are accruing, that large tax debt grows, and then year over year it starts to pile up to a problem that they cannot resolve. Lastly, again, I talked about the asset liquidation. This could be cashing out a 401k, an IRA, stocks you sold at home, and you didn't withhold taxes on it. These usually start very large, and they go on payment plans that just don't pay enough over time, and so this tax debt just stays stable. Again, when you owe tax debt, it's because you didn't pay enough. These are common reasons why. If you are in a situation that you find yourself owing tax debt, please do give us a call at 800-822-4122 and visit our website at www.taxdebtservices.com. Thank you.